Aris, you want a treat? You want a treat? Treat. Okay, here's bacon. Do you want a treat?
Good Chihuahua.
Oh, a good Chihuahua treat. Okay, here you go. Aris, do you want a treat?
Yes.
You want a treat?
Yes.
All right, I love you too. We'll give you a treat. That's a good girl. Do you want? Kala, you want it?
Good Chihuahua.
Oh, good Chihuahua treat? Okay, good Chihuahua treat. There you go. Speak. Speak. Good girl. Aris, sit.
No.
Why not?
No.
No. Sit.
No.
You want a treat? You do want a treat.
No.
You want a treat?
No.
Should I give a treat to Kala? Treat. One? Yes?
You're so tiny, oh darling. No toy, no treat can match your feet. No jewel, no crown, no king, no puppy. Nothing like you. Tiny, oh wow, wow.
Do you want? No? Yes. No bacon? No. We don't
Little
want
barks make a sound that's oh so large. Tiny heart, oh so mighty in your eyes. A world so lively,